Hi Fiona, this video is just for you. I know you wanted to do Roman numerals, so this is lesson 135. It's page 467 in your math book if you want to follow along. It is Roman numerals through 39. Roman numerals are letters used by ancient Romans to write numbers, and they're still used today on clocks and buildings and number things such as book chapters and Super Bowl games. And sometimes you'll see them as a written as the year too, like in a copyright for a book or things like that. So here are some Roman numerals and their value. I is 1, V is 5, and X is 10. But they don't use place value in Roman numerals. Instead, they add or subtract the values of the digits. So 2 ones is 2 and not 11. So you add 1 plus 1. And here are the numbers 1 through 20, and you can see the patterns. 1, 2, 3, and then here's 4, which is 5 minus 1. If it's on this side, you subtract it. 5, 6, which is 5 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 3. Then 9 is 10 minus 1, 10, 11. So now you're doing 10 plus 1. 12 is 10 plus 2. 13 is 10 plus 3. And then 14 is 10 plus 4, which is IV. 15 is 10 plus 5. Sorry. 16, 10 plus 6. 17, 10 plus 7. 18, 10 plus 8. 19, 10 plus 9. And 20 is 10 plus 10. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, and 20. And so that's where they have the new symbols. 5, 10. Well, you have 1, 5, and 10 for your symbols, and then they combine them for 15 and 20. And so the ones that are 1 less than these multiples of 5 is where you subtract. 1 less than 5, you subtract and get 4. 9 is 1 less than 10. 14 is 1 less than 10. And 5 are 1 less than 15. And then 19 is a 10 and 1 less than 10. So in each of these cases, a smaller Roman numeral 1 precedes or goes in front of a larger Roman numeral. And so then here is an example. Write XXVII in our number system. So you would say each of these is a 10, and then you have a 5 and 2 ones. So you add it like this. 20 plus 5 plus 2 is 27. And then write 34 in Roman numerals. And here's how you would do that. You do 3 10s plus the 4. So it would be written like this, 34. And I know it said that this was through 39, but it really does not look like it goes all the way to 39. I guess it just means it doesn't give you how to write 40. Let me look in the... Hi. I'm going to look in the contents and see if it has any more Roman numerals. I saw those. Yes, it does. So lesson 141, I thought that covered all of them, but lesson 141 has the rest. So hang on and we'll do that. So here is reading Roman numerals through thousands. So we've practiced these in the last lesson, 1, 5, and 10. And here it adds the rest listed in the table. 1, 5, 10. Then L is 50. C is 100. And I guess that's why the last one went through 39, because 40 is L with an X in front of it. because you do 50 minus 10 XL. So I guess that's why they stopped with 39 on the other one. So 50 is L, 100 is C, and you can remember that by cents or century. 500 is D, and then 1,000 is M. And so you just use that chart to write the numbers. So right here would be LXX. So you'd look up here, it's 50, 10, 10. And it shows you the solution here. 50, 10, 10 is 70. Then DCCL, 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50. So that would be 5, 6, 750. Then CXLIV. So XL is 40. No, I'm sorry. Yes, that's right. XL is 40 and IV is 4. This would be 44. And then MMI is 2,000 plus 1. So 2001. So like if you wanted to write the year right now, 2020, you would do MMXX. MM would be 2000 and XX would be 20. So that would be how you would write the year. So, and then here are some practice, or these are problem set. Here are some practice problems if you wanted to figure those out. So anyway, I'm excited that you asked about Roman numerals, and I'm sorry we didn't get to it as a class, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, love you.